Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto OnChain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. Paws Airdrop Update. The road to a Binance listing? The buzz around Paws Airdrop 2025 is growing, and the crypto community is eagerly watching its next move. This exciting token giveaway by the Paws project is designed to reward early supporters and drive engagement. But the million-dollar question remains, will Paws secure a listing on Binance? Paws token price prediction. What's the hype? Current estimates suggest that the Paws token could trade between $0.0072 and $0.0078, based on early market predictions. However, crypto prices are notoriously unpredictable, influenced by factors such as adoption rates and broader market trends. If Paws gains traction, especially with a major exchange listing, its valuation could see a substantial boost. How to get your hands on Paws tokens? Scoring free Paws tokens depends on the ongoing airdrop program. Typically, participants need to complete simple social engagement tasks like heavy checkmark following official Paws social media accounts, heavy checkmark joining the Paws community on Telegram, heavy checkmark referring friends to the project. Before diving in, make sure you meet the eligibility criteria, including being an active user of the Paws mini app on Telegram. With the listing date still unconfirmed, staying engaged in the community is key to maximizing your rewards. Latest updates. Will Paws land on Binance? The Paws community has been actively campaigning for a Binance listing, sparking intense discussions on social media. On Platform X, formerly Twitter, Paws enthusiasts are rallying behind the project, speculating on whether Binance will embrace this dog-themed token. The anticipation surrounding a major exchange listing is fueling bullish sentiment. Many believe that exposure on Binance would significantly drive demand, potentially triggering a price surge post-listing. Paws tokenomics. Fair distribution or not? The project has unveiled its tokenomics strategy, prompting mixed reactions from the community. Here's the breakdown. Pushpin 62.5%, Paws app and future airdrops, designed to boost adoption and long-term engagement. Pushpin 12%, ecosystem allocation, ensuring sustainability and future development. Pushpin 10%, team allocation, a testament to the team's commitment and long-term vision. Pushpin 8%, liquidity, helping stabilize trading and reduce price volatility. Pushpin 7.5%, Solana OG communities, rewarding early adopters and strengthening credibility. This structured approach aims to position Paws for sustainable growth while ensuring key stakeholders play a vital role in its success. Final thoughts. The countdown begins. The long-awaited Paws airdrop is inching closer to its big moment, and the excitement is palpable. One of the hottest meme projects of 2024, Paws has already taken snapshots for token allocation, setting the stage for a thrilling launch. While delays in the token generation event, TGE, and airdrop have tested patience, the community remains optimistic. If Paws secures a Binance listing, it could be a game-changer for meme coin enthusiasts, setting the tone for an explosive 2025.